How to delete threads on Instagram threads, easy and quick. First, open your Instagram threads. Now after that, just go to your profile and then just select any thread you want, like this one, and click on these 3 points and then click delete and then click delete again, and that's it. Now just refresh this page and that's it. As you see, that's how to delete your threads, and you can delete any thread whenever you want. And that's it for today's video. And if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And that's it for today's video. See you in the next video.